In continuation to breathing and exchange of gases in human physiology, the transport of gases in the blood, at least we have discussed the transport of oxygen. Now we will go through the transport of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is carried by the blood in three forms. First is the physical solution. The next is as bicarbonate. The third form in which carbon dioxide is carried, that is carbaminohemoglobin. Through these three forms, carbon dioxide is carried in the blood and transported from one region to the other region. So far this physical solution is concerned, a very small amount of carbon dioxide, about 7%, is carried through this physical solution in the plasma and is carried as physical solution. So far the bicarbonate ions are concerned, about 70% of carbon dioxide is carried by this bicarbonate solution. As the carbon dioxide dissolves in the plasma, as the carbon dioxide is dissolved in the plasma and into the red blood corpuscles, the carbon dioxide combines with water to form carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. When carbon dioxide dissolves in water, the reaction is catalyzed by zinc-containing enzyme carbonic anhydrase. Carbonic acid dissociates bicarbonate and hydrogen ions into bicarbonate and hydrogen ions. This carbonic acid later on dissociates into bicarbonate and hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions are picked by the proteins and bicarbonate ions are joined by bases, sodium and potassium, to maintain the pH of the blood. This maintains the pH of the blood. Carbon dioxide combining with oxygen, water, to form H2CO3, carbonic acid. H2CO3 later on dissociates into hydrogen ion and bicarbonate ion. Then the third form in which carbon dioxide is carried, that is with the RBCs. This is a very low percentage of hemoglobin, that is, there is a very low percentage of carbon dioxide that is carried through this solution. About 23% of carbon dioxide is carried by this carbaminohemoglobin. About 23% of carbon dioxide enters RBCs, loosely combines with the amino group, that is NH2 group of the reduced hemoglobin, to form carbaminohemoglobin. The reaction releases oxygen from oxyhemoglobin. Due to the reason whenever there is extraordinary partial pressure of carbon dioxide, that favors the release of oxygen in the blood. This is how the carbon dioxide is carried in the lungs, passes through the lungs from the blood capillaries into the alveolar space and then expired out. That's all for today.